Excellency,
face an obstacle
my Mursyid teacher, Syekh Ahmad Sohibul Wafa Tajul Arifin,
and
Honorable, respectable,
obstacle
Mr. Carlson Olsen,
good condition and
the first person who has inspired this village more useful and better than before.
so we can attend
And Honorable,
in beautiful
the President of Kresna,
beautiful place
and all of the staff from the highest
travels
up to the lowest,
obstacle with
we always remember your kindness and services.
with good condition
First of all,
in beautiful place in good condition and happy situation.
let's pray and thank
For instance,
unto our God. Let's pray and thank unto our God, Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala,
so mission blessing
who has been giving us mercy and blessing, so we can attend and gather
beautiful
in this beautiful place, without any troubles and obstacles.
Kebanyakan J dah sih.
To the cleverness
In a good condition and happy situation.
harmless
Secondly, may peace and salutation always be given to our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam,
and I don't
who has guided us
much for you
from the dark age to the bright age, from the stupidity to the cleverness, namely Islam religion.
who have spent a lot of
And I don't forget to say thank you so much for the all audiences who have spent of time and energy to attend in this place. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to deliver my speech under the title of Focus on Positive Things. In several moments, I said, when I came to Kampung Inggris, I have choose the wrong programs here. Maybe some people of you will say, why did you say it? But for me, not only choose the wrong programs here, but if you choose the wrong food, if you choose the wrong beverage, it will be affect to your healthy in the future, and that is your failure. And it's just about our habitual. If you always think that the small thing that you get not what you want, that is a failure. Failure is not about the big things that you cannot reach, but if you cannot discipline to do your list, it can be a failure. And it's all about the mindset. You must remember that your mind will become your voice. Your voice will become your behavior. And your behavior will become your attitude. And if your attitude you do every day for a long time to go, a long time, day by day, it will be your character. And good or bad character, it depends on what you do. If every day you do positive things, it will be your good character. If you do bad things every day, it will be your bad character. It will be your bad character. So, when I realized that I choose the wrong programs here, I move my focus on the positive things. For example, I'm still study here. I'm still studying Kresna. I'm still studying Kresna Timur. And the other side, I can get a new friends. I can get a new family. I can get the new fun activities here. And of course, I can increase my English here. So, the main point is, your mind is your king. Some people said your mind is your God.
Oke sih.
So, well, happy audiences. That's all things that I can share to you. I hope it can be useful in this world and hereafter. I do apologize if you found any mistake, if you found mistake from my words. The last I say, I am very bad to you. Stop. Wah,